everyone, welcome to Teacher Teen's Math Tutorials. So don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga latest videos ko. Okay, are you ready now? Okay, our topic is all about division of polynomials. In dividing polynomials, divide first the numerical coefficients, then subtract the exponents of the same variables. Okay, so we're going to apply the laws of exponents. If the operation is division, so we're going to subtract the given exponents of the same variable. Okay, so we now proceed to our examples. Okay, so we have 12x cubed divided by 4x squared. Okay, the first step, we're going to divide the numerical coefficients. So 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Then we're going to subtract the exponents of the same variable, so that x cubed and x squared. So it becomes x. So the answer is 3x. Okay, so we now proceed to our example number 2, 72x to the 5th y to the 4th divided by 9xy. Okay, the answer is x to the 4th y cubed by simply dividing the numerical coefficient and subtract the given exponents with the same variables. Okay, example number 3. So we have 15a to the 4th b cubed plus 10a cubed b squared divided by 5ab. So the answer is 3a cubed b squared plus 2a squared b. So it is the same as 15a to the 4th b cubed divided by 5ab plus 10a cubed b squared divided by 5ab. Okay, so we now proceed to example number 4. So we have 12x to the 4th plus 24y to the 5th minus 36x cubed y cubed divided by 6x squared y squared. Again, it is the same as 12x to the 4th divided by 6x squared y squared plus 24y to the 5th divided by 6x squared y squared minus 36x cubed y cubed divided by 6x squared y squared. Okay, the final answer is 2x squared over y squared plus 4y cubed over x squared minus 6xy. Okay, ganun lang palagi yung gagawin. So, you just simply divide the numerical coefficient and then subtract the exponent of the same variables. So, kung wala naman siyang kapareho, so you just copy. So, doon lang natin siya ilalagay kung nasa denominator siya or sa numerator siya. Okay? So, we now proceed to our exercises. So, we have 45x to the 4th divided by 9x squared. Number 2, we have 21a cubed b to the 4th divided by 7ab. And then, so we have number 3, 48m to the 5th and to the 4th plus 36m cubed minus 24n squared divided by 12mn. Okay, so kung nakinig kayo sa explanations ko kanina, so kayang-kaya niyong sagutan yung mga exercises natin. Okay, so I will give you enough time to answer. Okay, so these are the answers. Number 1, 5x squared. Number 2, 3a squared b cubed. Number 3, 4m to the 4th n cubed plus 3m squared over n minus 2n over m. Okay, I hope meron kayong natutunan. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to tap the notification bell for more updates sa mga susunod kong videos. Thank you and God bless.